Welcome to SY Simple Trading Strategy that work. My name is Steven Yap. Today, I would like to share with you a topic called support and resistance zone or area. So, the topic of my talk today is uncover the mystery of the zone. Okay, before I start, I would like you all to spend few second or minute to go through the disclaimer. This is actually solely for the education purposes, so it is not any recommendation for buy or sell position. Okay, most of the knowledge that I share with you is taken from John Murphy book called The Technical Analysis of the Financial Market. So this guy is cool, so I hope you enjoy it as well. Okay, before we go into any in-depth about support resistant area also, let us look at the definition of support and resistance area. What is support? Support is a price level or area. A level means a price level as a particular price, or area. Area means is a range of area like $1 to $1.10 is an area, for example. Over the market means financial market or price chart, where buying pressure overcomes selling pressure and a price decline is turned back, price continue to advance, meaning to say the price going up. It means in an uptrend. Okay, price supported and it's actually paused or even is overcome by the buying pressure and overcome more than selling pressure. So that's why the price advance. Okay, resistance area is what? What is the resistance area? Why sometimes when a trader buy a position and the price quickly turn down at certain level? So this is the reason why the price actually come down. The reason is because the resistance is a price level or area over the market where selling pressure overcome buying pressure. The selling is more, people sell more than people buying. So the seller overcame the buyer and the price advances of price get turned down. Price continue to decline. This definition is taken from technical, is a spelling mistake. L-A-N-A-I-L-Y-S-I. Oh, correct. Yep, sorry. Technical analysis by John Murphy, page 55. Okay, let us continue from the chart yesterday that I did my video. Okay, bear with me. Okay, concept of support and resistance to uncover the mystery of the zone. Okay, so in my previous discussion about trend and how to identify trend and how to identify non-trend market. So I will elaborate from this example which I shared with you previously. Okay, the concept of support and resistance for a trending move is resistance basically is a ceiling level, and support basically is the floor level. Okay, if you look at this price chart, okay, the resistance level is actually the high and the support level is the low. Okay, support is actually a buying area and not a line, is a zone when the decline is stopped and overcome by the buying pressure that caused the price to advance. And then you'll notice in an uptrend, the support of the price always gets supported, meaning to say what? The price will not breach the support level or the swing low in this example. And each time the price move, the price in an uptrend always breach the swing high, which is the resistance area. So meaning to say, the resistance area is actually temporary a ceiling or temporary pause of the market in an uptrend. So in an uptrend, you notice the support is always make a higher high and higher low. In the case of support is higher low and higher low. Okay, so the support is always rising. It also the same apply to the resistance. The resistance is also making a higher high and higher high. So resistance represent a pause of an uptrend. So that's why sometimes when you buy maybe in an area here midway, then you notice after a few more days down the road, the price quickly reverse. So that's why when we buy a position, when we execute a long position, we need to pay attention is the price, what is happening in the past, whether there is a potential overhead resistance that which we need to look out for. So okay, so the price move continue to go up. Okay, if the price continue to go up and it's always resisted by this resistance line. Okay, it same goes with the downtrend. The downtrend, you notice the support is always broken, meaning to say in a downtrend the high is never breached or the resistance line is never breached in a downtrend. The price is always making lower low and lower high, and the support of a downtrend is always breached. In a case of uptrend, the resistance is always breached. So whenever you look at the downtrend, it's actually the reverse of the uptrend. Okay, so let us look at the chart. All right, before that, sideways is basically the same. The high and low is always the same. All right, the price move in the sideways. Okay, let us revisit the chart. Look at the chart using this principle that we just learned, that support and resistance line. Support basically is in a buying area. Resistance line is a selling area. And obviously when you look at this chart, Apple chart, the trend is up because the price is making higher high and higher low. So how do we identify support and resistance line on this chart? All right, so basically like I mentioned to you, support is a floor area where the price move stop and is reversed quickly. So this would be our low, this would be our low. Okay, so this would be our support, this one would be our support line. Okay, same goes with here. Okay, this is also our support line. Okay, so this actually there's a small minor support, so I will look at that. Maybe this one is a support line as well. This one. Okay, and look on this chart, I'm actually marking the major support and resistance area. So this support also. Orange line represents support. Okay, resistance line. Okay, mark that with other color, just so on. Wait, maybe, yep. That's a resistance line. Okay, this would be another resistance line. This would be resistance line. So can you see the price turn down from here? This advance or this uptrend is turned down at this line. But when you look at the chart on your left, so you see this price range is a price when the price started to drop in the past. So this is actually a potential resistance, strong resistance area, because this price went up last time and it came down and move, make a big move down. So this area obviously is a strong resistance line. And if we want to continue to mark the chart, so you see every time the price move up, the resistance line get broken. All right, is that right? This resistance line get broken again, and this resistance line get broken again. All right. So in an uptrend, resistance line always get broken. In a downtrend, support always get broken. All right. So that's the concept of support and resistance line. So there are actually few concepts that you need to know about the support resistance line. That is actually the more support and resistance line are being tested, the weaker they become. All right. So okay, let me zoom into this chart. This one. Yeah. So we have first test here. There's a second test, third test. You see, this price came up, right? And it hit the resistance line. Okay, can you see that the price hit 3 times of the resistance line and it get broken to the upside? So what does it mean? Basically, the more time the price tested in an area, the weaker they become. The more easy for the price to breach the level. So, and then second concept you need to understand is price resistance or support line is a zone. Okay, it can be a line, but normally for me I'll mark it as a zone. Okay, so once the price breach this level, you'll notice that the price continue to move up. Same goes here. All right, you can see how many times price tested. 1 time, 2 time, and 3rd time, and came back down, and the 4th time the price managed to breach through the zone. So I hope you understand the significance of the zone, understanding what is support and resistance line from my explanation, the psychology behind the zone, okay, of this support and resistance line. Who is in control in an uptrend, okay, and downtrend. And in this example also I have actually show you how you can draw or identify the area, the support and resistance area. I hope you learned something in my short sharing. Please do remember to like my video and also follow my channel. Thank you. All the best. See you next time.